What do you know about appendicitis? It is the inflammation of the appendix leading to severe abdominal pain. Appendix is a small blind-ended tube found at the beginning of the large intestine. This disorder is very common among adolescents. It is more common in developed countries where diet contains less fiber food. The inflammation causes blockage. The closed end of the appendix beyond the blockage then becomes infected by bacteria. The early symptoms include sudden pain in the upper abdomen, nausea with or without vomiting. It may also cause mild fever. If a treatment is delayed, the appendix may rupture and result in infection in the abdomen. The serious infection is called as peritonitis. The treatment involves the removal of appendix of surgery.